everybody, welcome back. It's your favorite professor, Dr. T. So I just wanted to show you some more things that you can do using the Desmos Graphing Calculator. Even though it's a graphing calculator, you can use it for evaluating expressions. So you see here it says y divided by 2 plus x. Now you have to be careful. So what does y equal to? And x is equal to 1. So I have to put in parentheses 2 divided by, use a slash, by 2. And then I have to go outside the parentheses and press plus 1 because x is equal to 1. And you see it automatically gives you the answer. So I don't recommend that you use this to get the answers. I recommend that you use this to make sure that you got your answer correct. Let's do another one. Let's see, P is equal to 5 and M is equal to 1. So I would just do 5, shift 6, caret key squared, or 2, and then plus 1. Now, with these Kuta Software worksheets, you can actually see your answer right here. Okay, so I recommend that if you want to get good at these, you write them down first by hand, and then you do them, and then you plug these numbers in to a calculator like Desmos, right? You can use the Inspire calculator as well. Okay, so here M is equal to 1, so it would be 1 plus P, which is 5. Now, because of the order of operations, we must do 5/5, and I like that Desmos also we'll put the parentheses there for you. Okay, so you can see that one, and I'll do one more. For this one, z is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6, y is equal to 8, and z is equal to 6. So I'm going to do 6 parentheses 6 plus 8. Okay, and there you go. Easy, easy. Makes your life so much easier. Okay, and just to check, let's go down here, and the answer is 84. So I hope you like this video. If you like to see something else, or if you like to see something more than Algebra 1, please let me know. And as always, thank you for watching. See you next time.